Opportunity. All the opportunities are in the urban areas. That's why everyone's coming here, and we're becoming overcrowded. But one of the policies of my party, the platforms, is we should make credit and capital accessible to the people in the countryside, the rural areas, and encourage them to engage in entrepreneurship, because that creates jobs. Job creation, that would address also the OFW problem, the OFW phenomenon. Instead of encouraging people to go abroad, or instead of looking for a job, by focusing on microfinance and credit, a less strict banking system, yung sa pag-lend ng yung pag-encourage ng entrepreneurship, mas lalong mababawasan ng employment. What reminds me, isa pa sa mga policies ng partido namin is to lessen the tax burden of the average Filipino. I've been talking about job creation, entrepreneurship. For anyone who wants to start a business in this country, napakadaming kailangan bayaran bago makakapagsimula. Wala ka pa nabibenta, taas-taas na ng utang mo. Kasi, besides the mayor's permit, ang dami kailangan bayaran. There's this culture na napakabagal, banjing-banjing lang sa government. Pero hindi ba dapat mas competitive? Kaya nga may civil service exams, di ba? If you're gonna serve the government, serve the public, the standard should be higher than in the public sector. And you should be working harder for less money. Kasi it's supposed to be a public service. Sobrang nalulustay ang pera ng natin lahat in the present system. We shall be proposing the elimination or the streamlining of government, or maybe the abolition of certain agencies to eliminate wasteful expenditure on the part of the government. And that way, mas maraming pera matitira sa mga negosyante at sa mga empleyado. Mas lalong mas lalo silang gagastos, mas lalong dadaming mga negosyo. That will improve the circular flow of money in the economy. That will create more jobs, and that will make the Philippines richer.